Located in central Arizona, the Verde River is among the very last few witnesses to the past abundance. Fertile lands spanned the horizon but slowly faded with the rise in industrialization. With the population growth and overuse of natural resources, the paradox led to a barren land with a mere stream struggling to survive in the summer. We started thinking about what is farming. Is it a natural activity or process of survival technique developed by the humans 5000 years ago? Or is it involved by the interaction of all the species that are the essential catalyst for the earth to make sense to still spin on? Through our study, we understood that from microbes to every single species, how everyone is playing their role to farm ecology. Our project gave us a different perspective on life, introducing a whole new world of possibility around how we can design and make things. We discovered a radical manufacturing proposition, biofabrication, literally fabricating with biology. What does that mean? Well, instead of processing brick, concrete, steel to make structures and give us a demonstration about farming, we will show the strength of living organisms using bacteria, algae, fungi, and yeast to make the structure, and the entire structure will be the opportunity of learning, experiencing, and celebrating nature through generating zero waste. Imagining the skin of a building to function like the bark of a tree, but not as a cosmic green layer. We are designing architectural barks as a host for evolving ecologies. These surface structures are designed to invite life in, and if we applied the same energy we currently do suppress forms of life towards cultivating life, we'd turn the negative image of the urban jungle into one that literally embodies a thriving living ecosystem. The goal is to provide the experience of understanding the comprehensive evolution and the importance of any species working together to maintain the balance of the ecology, and ultimately those species play a major role in future farming. Through using structures made of bacteria, showing the experience that we are holding something small and now that small something is holding us, designed by the nature. We are forcing species to be connected to other species and establish a new relationships into nature.